everything you need to know about the workouts. Friends, are you among those persons who are doing hard workout in their life but still not getting result in terms of their weight losing and their fat losing? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I am an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, I still remember those days when I used to do workout 6 times in a week, but I was not getting those results which I really wanted in my life in terms of losing my weight. Even the wrong type of workouts was impacting my work life also. I was feeling very tired, I was feeling lazy in whole day just because of my workouts. Today I'll give you the three solution for this. I wish I had the same knowledge on that time, so I would be more workable, I would be more resultable in my work or in my health also. The solution number one. Friends, usually we do workout 6 days in a week and we wanted to do more and more workout. We spend lots of hours in working on cardio, working on other hard exercises. But you only require to do 3 times in a week of your workouts. Your workout should be rigorous and should not be more than half an hour if you're a working person, male or female at any age. Because your work is more important and we are doing our workouts so that we can sharp our body, which is already excellent. If our body is not in an excellent position, whatever workout we are doing, it it will not cover up, it will not give us the shape which we are dreaming of. Diet, rest, these all are the other parts also in any kind of good health. But today I like to discuss about the workouts only, that what mistake usually we make. The mistakes number one is that we do 6 days in a week workouts. Make it 3 days in a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, rest for Saturday and Sunday. Then you wanna ask, then what should we do to lose our fat or lose our weight? So basically, if you want to lose your fat, then lose your weight, then the second solution I'm going to give you, I'm opening a myth also that exercise is not the way to lose your fat or lose your weight, or exercise does not impact your positively to your health for your lifetime. If you want to have a perfect health in your life or for the lifetime, then you must have a active lifestyle. The it is in professional term, it is known as NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Those energies which we utilize while not doing exercise are more important than the energy which we utilize while doing workouts. So friends, try to understand this thing, that because the need and the non-exercise activities are the most important thing, what kind of lifestyle you are carrying. Just try to add some activities in your life. If you have a seated job, then try to be standing. If you try to park your car or park your vehicle some far away from your office so that you can have some you can walk down for some steps and reach to your office. And you can also try to use stairs rather than the lifts. These are some important things. If you apply these things in your life, then definitely you will find a tremendous changes. To calculate your daily activity, I would like to give you a tool which is known as step counter. Whatever kind of step counter application you want to download it, then just count your 2000 steps while working. That you need to have the 2000 steps while working for 8 hours, for 9 hours, in whatever way you want to do. You can do, you are free for it, but try to get the 2000 steps in your working. Now the solution number 3. The third solution is walking. How to walk? Whenever you want to walk, it will be fine, but it gives you more impact if you walk before breakfast or before dinner. It means once you start your day, you can start your day while walking. And before having your dinner, you need to walk for 20 minutes. It gives you a little impact of intermittent fasting to your body so that your body will convert itself into a fat absorbing machine. Friends, these are the three ways in which you can impact your life and make your health or live your life longer and in a healthier way. The rest of the things is about the diet and the rest which you have to have in your life. But if but those people who thinks that workout is the only solution so that they can lose their weight, they are totally wrong. Try to add as much activity in your life so that your weight and your body will become a fat absorbing machine, and this is the key for a successful health. Friends, if you wish to lose 5 kg by next month, then you can download my ebook. The link I'm giving in the description. And if you want to lose your weight, your 10 kg weight, then you can message me directly for my personal coaching. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I just wish for all of you to know your fitness. Thank you.